Samsung's flagship smartphones, especially the Ultra model, are known for their versatile and extended zoom capabilities. All this began to change when the Galaxy S24 Ultra arrived with a lower zoom level. Now, a new rumor has indicated that South Koreans will drop a notable sensor in next year's Galaxy S25 Ultra. According to information shared by leaker Sperandio4Tech on X, Samsung is reportedly testing the Galaxy S25 Ultra without a 3x telephoto camera. This leaves the future rear module setup comprising a main wide camera, which is touted to remain unchanged, alongside a familiar ultra-wide and new periscope telephoto shooter. The removal of 3x telephoto shooter is said to be replaced by the 200-megapixel main camera that will support capturing photos at 3x zoom by relying on the in-crop sensor zooming instead of using an actual lens. To compensate for the loss in detail, it was further described that the primary shooter will receive improved image processing. It also appears Samsung is copying some methods already utilized in its mid-range camera phones and by other brands like Apple in its iPhone 15 and iPhone 14, although at a lower zoom level. At the same time, the new periscope lens is said to offer variable zoom levels at 2 levels of 4x to 5x and 6x to 7x. The latter will be a notable upgrade from the existing periscope camera of the Galaxy S24 Ultra with a fixed 5x zoom. Meanwhile, the 12-megapixel ultra-wide shooter is believed to remain unchanged. It's unclear if these cameras will make it to the final Galaxy S25 Ultra model. Likewise, this is the first time we've heard of such details coming from a leaker with a mixed track record, so take this with a pinch of salt. Now, reliable tipster Ice Universe says that it is certain that the next Ultra will still have 4 cameras. Ice specifically states that the 3x module isn't going away. In fact, an upgrade is very possible. The 10-megapixel 3x camera has been pretty much the same since it was introduced with the Galaxy S21 Ultra. There have been some variations in sensor size and the exact focal length, 67 or 70 mm, but nothing major. Nonetheless, Samsung simplifying the camera module in the Galaxy S25 Ultra sounds like a logical step in moving forward rather than overwhelming users with a huge number of sensors. With one less camera, this could mean the flagship handset will sport a refreshed look behind. When a new phone rolls out, one of the main things that gets a makeover is its operating system. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to hit shelves with Android 15 and One UI 7. In addition to the changes expected in Android 15, the S25 Ultra will likely run V2 of Google's mobile-optimized language model, Gemini Nano. The first version is present on the S24 phones, so Gemini Nano 2 is expected to power the next generation of Galaxy AI features. Without a doubt, Samsung will further improve AI on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Previously, features like Circle to Search, Photo Assist, and Live Translate were added to Samsung's phones, and we expect even more changes next year. This phone seems to be getting even larger, with rumors suggesting that the screen will bump up slightly from 6.8 inches to 6.9 inches. We're still in the dark about other screen specifics, so Samsung might stick with the same 120Hz AMOLED display. Like the other 2 phones in this series, the S25 Ultra will most likely run on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 or the Exynos 2500 processor, depending on where you live. If you're going to pick which cameras to use in the Galaxy S25 Ultra, which setup would you choose? Let us hear your opinion. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest in tech news. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.